Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss some important questions from the chapter Sexual Reproduction Flowering Plants, which are there in Phase 5 book. Question number 61. Here the question is the tassels in corn cob. What is this corn cob? What you eat that corn? Na, this is nothing but the corn cob. What we get that butta. It is corn cob. Okay. In the corn cob, outer side there are coverings are there. Inside when we see there are seeds will be there, number of seeds. Okay. Here thin hair-like structures are covering these seeds. Thin hair-like structures is telling the tassels. These are called as tassels. What are the tassels? Which are hair-like structures which are present inside the corn cob are called as tassels. What they represent in tassels? Filaments of anthers, no. Stigma and style. These tassels are having stigma and elongated, thin, slender style. These tassels represent the stigma and style. This is the correct answer. Reduced leaf, no, this is not reduced leaf. Stalk of ovule, no. Answer is stigma and style. This is stigma, this is style. They are thin hair-like structures which are covering the seeds. These are called as tassels. Answer is C. Oh, sorry. Answer is B. Thank you.